There is another very important tool in ChatGPT, that is your custom GPT. If you look in the left side here, you will find GPTs. Now, you can explore so many different custom GPTs made from different brands or users, or simply put, you can create your own custom GPT. Let's say if you want ChatGPT to always answer something in a particular way whenever you paste any content there. So, to avoid giving instructions every day, you can simply create your own GPT from here, and you can name your GPT. You can give the description what this GPT have to do, all the instructions you can give. You can start, like, you can give the conversation starters also. You can upload whatever files you want to upload over here. All the important project files you can upload here, and you can enable web search for or image generation, code interpreter, data analysis, and everything from here. And then from here, you can just start giving all the data here, and it will start learning from whatever data you provide. And how you want this chat gpt to treat with your input, you can give it here. So in this way, you can draft or create your own gpt model and make it work in your way. And I have already created one chat gpt model, that is biased marketer by bmj. This is my own gpt model. And I have, if I show you the settings over here, so a season, so I have given the instructions like um you have to act as a seasoned creative marketing professional with skills in this all these, and stay updated with all the trends in the market, and whatever things I want, I have given the instructions. And this is how I have created my own GPT. So we have seen now how you can use custom GPTs and personalization in chat GPT.